My friend Tyron's asleep now, so we gotta. I'm gonna prank him. So starting from now. So yeah. Yellow light.
Mm.
Ah!
What the hell was that for?
This is scare you, idiot!
I'm the back of the yellow light.
Next scary wake up pranks. Next scary wake up prank. So you're gonna go to sleep soon?
Yeah, maybe in a minute.
In a minute, come on. No, go to bed now.
Okay.
In bed. He's asleep now. I'm gonna go into my room and do something very funny. I'm gonna put a fake rat right in the couch. Watch how he reacts. Oh shit. It's fine. Alright. Next day, in the night, I'm going to scare him again. I'm going to scare him big time. He's asleep, so yeah. So yeah, I'm going to scare him. Terrence, rest in here. Bye.
You're dead if you told him to do